Class is in session.
Hey guys, Matt here from the 13th grade, the grade that never taught you in school, where we talk about everything money. Today we're going to talk about why you should pay your student loans off faster. Well, the first reason to pay off your student loans faster is so you don't have that recurring bill every month of $200, $300, $400 you're shelling out for your student loans. But the fact that we're going to investigate today is how much money this will save you in the long run of paying them off early. So we're going to go through several different scenarios here and show you how much interest you'll pay over the average 10-year span that people pay these student loans on. Okay, so the average student debt in 2017, according to CNBC, was $27,000. Now, the rates have climbed by about 2% per year since then, so we'll say the average of student debt is roughly $30,000. That's the number we're going to pick today to base these numbers off of. Okay, so we're going to start with this $30,000 loan that we are going to pay on for 10 years. That's the minimum, making minimum payments every month, and we're going to have a 6% interest rate. This is going to be a monthly payment of $333 for 10 years. Now, over this 10-year span, we're going to be paying nearly $10,000 of interest. So the grand total of this loan is not necessarily $30,000, but it's looking more like $40,000. So the next scenario we're going to investigate is paying a little bit more on our monthly loans, bring it up from $333 a month over a 10-year span to paying $438 a month over a 7-year span. We're going to keep the same interest rate, and what we're going to see is that our interest over these 7 years is only going to be paid in the amount of about $6,800. So we're going to save almost $3,000 off the bat right there just by knocking this payment down by 3 years. So at this rate, we're only paying $105 extra per month. Can you think of where you could spare an extra $105, maybe not eating out or shopping on Amazon as much? Okay, so the next scenario we're going to look at is paying on our loans for 5 years. So we're going to pay them off 5 years early, and we can do this by paying a monthly payment of $579 a month. Now that's only a whopping $246 extra on your loan from the minimum payment we were talking about of $333. But think of, could you come up with an extra $246 a month? Maybe if you didn't have to have as fancy of a car or as fancy of an apartment, or you didn't have credit card bills. That's something to think about. And in this scenario, we're only going to be paying about $4,800 of interest over the span of these 5 years, compared to spending $10,000 over the span of 10 years making minimum payments. If you guys like where I'm heading with this video, hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. The last and final scenario that we're going to look at is making payments for only 3 years. We're going to shave 7 years off of our student loans by paying $912 a month. This is what they call short-term pain, long-term gain. So those 7 years, you're going to be free and clear of any student loan payments. Now, this is a whopping $579 a month more than the original $330 payment for 10 years. But this is going to save us big in the long run. At this rate, we're only going to be paying $2,800 of interest over this 3-year span of our student loans. So I just wanted to open your eyes up to see that there are other ways than paying 10 years on your student loans where you can save a bunch of money in the long run and get on with your life a lot quicker. A lot of people are shackled by this 10-year loan, and this hinders them from purchasing their first house or having a nice car or investing into their future. And I will make one disclaimer in this: we are not going to factor in any of the interest deductions that we get yearly. This is strictly to show how much money you can save by paying off early. If you guys like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Again, my name is Matt. This is the 13th grade, the grade that never taught you in school, where we talk about everything money.
Class dismissed.